Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we will learn how to use pivot table in Microsoft Excel. So pivot table is very useful tool of Microsoft Excel. So as you can see, we have this data, we have client name, province, client type and sales amount. So we have a huge data from A1 to D204. So let me show you how to convert your data into useful information using pivot table. So we'll select this all data by pressing Ctrl A. As you can see, it's all selected. Then from insert, under charts, we'll click on pivot charts. It will ask you to confirm the range of your selected data. And then if you want a new sheet or within the same sheet, I will go with new sheet and then okay. Now you can see it is showing a chart 1 which is empty and then pivot table 1 here. So in order to create a pivot table, we will use this pivot chart fields. As you can see, we had these 4 headers. So we'll take this sale here and then drop this down in values, and on the axis we will take client name at the moment and drop, and now you can see data on the left side which is summarized by client. So you can see total of sales we have made towards Andrew, Gil and others, and also this chart is updated. And if you want type on the series side, you can drop this down in legends, and now you can see sales which were made towards Andrew and the product type was type A, type B or type C. You can see the whole breakdown in a very summarized way, which is much better than this data. So we are here again. You can also take anything from here and leave it in filters, and now you can see this client type here in the top, and you can use it as a filter. Let's say you want to see type A only, so you will select it and okay, and now it will show you only sales which are related to type A. So let's use it for province. I will keep it here and then I will take this province and leave it here in filters, and let's remove this clients for a moment, and now you can see client name and their respective sale. So here you can see province, and I will click here to see only sales which we have made in Alberta province. So I will select it and okay. Now you can see all the sales we have made in Alberta, and if I will change it to any other, let's say Ontario, and then okay, you can see these changes. You can customize many things for this pivot table from this pivot table tools like analyze. Here you can see you can add slicer and then insert timeline, change source data and other things, and from this side you can change design of your table, where you can see and now when you will click outside this table, those tools will disappear, and when you will click here you can see fields here and these tools here. And let's go to analyze and let's use one of my favorite tool, which is insert slicer. So when you will click on it, it will show you which slicer you want to use. Let's say I will go with province and then okay, and I will take this from here and leave it here, and if I drag this down you can see Ontario, because if you remember we selected Ontario in our filter. So slicer is basically same like filter, but this is in a very decent way. So I will click here, it will remove the filter, and now it will be very handy. You can select these just like a button. When you will click here, it will show you only data of Nova Scotia, and then when you will click on Quebec, it will show you data for Quebec, and you can choose Manitoba, British Columbia, Newfoundland and anything you want. You can also use multiple slicer if you want to. Let's say I will click here again, and then from analyze I will insert slicer and then client type, and okay, now you can see this new slicer. I will keep it here and move this here, and now you can see when I will remove this filter, I can choose from these client type. So when I will click on type B, it will show data for type B only, and then when I will click type D, and this is type D. You can also use multiple filters at the same time. Let's say we have filtered this out for type D, and within type D, if you want two conditions like type D and in Manitoba, you can do that as well. I hope pivot table, pivot chart, and this slicer option is very clear with you. If you have any question, you can leave in the comments. I will reply as soon as possible. And if this video was helpful, please hit that like button, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe.